forget, welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla and the host of this show. Today I'm going to show you how to make lime lava cake. If you're a big fan of lime desserts, this is the best one, trust me. It's got really nice chocolatey flavor, and then you've got the lime flavor coming through as well. It looks super pretty, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make it at home. Let me know what is your favorite lava cake. I've got over 20 types of lava cakes on my channel, so if you come up with any new creations, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try and experiment and see what we can come up with. Enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free and it makes me so happy when you do subscribe. I love welcoming you to my family. And yeah, make sure you also click the notification bell to get notified when I upload the new videos, so you don't miss out on any of my new stuff. Now let's get started. In a bowl, add white chocolate. Use the highest white chocolate you can, and then add your unsalted butter, and in a microwave melt it together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't burn your white chocolate. In a separate bowl, add your eggs with icing sugar and mix everything until it's nice and smooth. Then add your vanilla extract and mix everything together. Next, I'm adding my white chocolate mixture with butter and mixing everything again until it's nice and smooth. Then add your sifted flour and whisk everything until it becomes nice and smooth again. Take your ramekins and use butter around, and then we're going to add some flour. This is to ensure that our cakes don't get stuck to the ramekins. Then add your white chocolate mixture inside, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons. We're going to bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Next, take your limes and grate it on the smallest grater, just to get enough of lime zest. Then we're going to also squeeze our limes, just press them down and get as much juice as you can. And then we're going to see, it looks just like that. I'm going to add my lime zest with my lime juice inside my white chocolate mixture, and I'm going to mix everything together until it's nice and smooth, just like that. Then use your ramekins and spray them with some cooking oil, and then add some white flour inside, and you want to coat it around to make sure that all the sides are covered. This will ensure that our cakes don't burn or don't get stuck to the ramekins. Next, place your white chocolate mixture in the middle. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. Next, take your lime curd, and I'm using about 1 teaspoon, and put it right in the middle inside, and it will be stuck there. So then top it up with more white chocolate. And then we're going to bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes depending on your oven at about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. When the cakes are baked, leave them to cool down for a few minutes and then serve them straight away. You want to flip it onto your presentation plate and then add some icing sugar and decorate it however you like it. I'm adding some lime slices. You're not going to eat these, but they're just pretty for decoration. You can also add some fresh mint or vanilla ice cream on top, whatever you like. And then when you slice into each lava cake, you will be able to see that lime curd oozing out, and it's such a delicious cake, guys. I really love the vanilla flavor with the lime. It's kind of exotic, very delicious and fresh. I hope you try this recipe, guys. Make sure to check out all my other lava cakes that I have on my channel, and leave the comments down below what other cakes you want to see. Enjoy!